You're not slowing down because of your age. You're slowing down because you're bleeding mental energy every day. Decision fatigue is killing your edge. Quietly, consistently, faster than you think. You wake up tired. Not physically, mentally. You're operating like a CEO who also sweeps the floors. You think you're being productive, but you're not. You're burning premium fuel on cheap tasks. Let's define this problem and then solve it. You're over 50. You're dragging around decades of pressure and responsibility, and your mental battery drains faster because of it. Your clarity flickers, your speed drops. Not because you're weaker, because you're overloaded. That overload causes friction, and that friction drains mental energy. That's the truth. You pride yourself on speed, instinct, decisiveness. But lately, you hesitate, you second-guess, you delay. That's decision fatigue. The consequence? Impulsive on small things, paralyzed on big things. A deadly combination. All of this can be solved. You don't need to think harder. You need a solution framework for making fewer decisions and protecting the ones that matter. That's the entire play. Solution 1. Strip morning decision-making. Your mornings are too chaotic and fragmented, too full of nonsense. Create a standard routine. Same breakfast, same clothes, same sequence. You're not being boring. You're protecting your cognitive bandwidth. Choice is the enemy of focus. Solution 2. Automate the repeaters. You're still deciding things that should be automated. Bills, supplements, groceries, recurring tasks, they drain you. Automate it, delegate it, template it. Every repetitive decision must go. Solution 3. 3 decisions that matter. Every morning, choose 3 decisions that actually shape your future. Not tasks, decisions, strategy level, impact level. If it's not one of your 3, it gets whatever scraps are left. This rule alone erases 80% of your executive fog. If you don't control your decisions will control you. Strip the noise, protect your bandwidth. Guard your 3 decisions. Your edge returns. If you're over 50 and want to boost your motivation and regain mental sharpness, watch this video next. This is the Primed Edge. Let's rebuild your advantage.